Imagine waking up one day to find a strange app on your phone installed by itself without you downloading it or even knowing about it. An app that doesn't appear in the usual menus and no one knows its true purpose. How did it get on your device? Why did Google decide to put it there without your permission? Is something happening behind your back? Get ready because what you're about to learn might completely change your perception of security and privacy on your phone. What is the Android System Key Verifier app? This app is a security tool developed by Google to help users verify the identity of people they communicate with in encrypted apps. Its primary function is to store encryption keys and use QR codes to confirm that the person you're chatting with is actually who they claim to be, not an imposter. Encrypted apps use encryption technologies to protect data and conversations so that no one, not even the service provider, can spy on them. Encryption ensures that messages are only accessible to the intended recipient, preventing any other party from deciphering or viewing their contents. Examples of encrypted apps: WhatsApp Signal Telegram only in secret chat mode, iMessage on Apple devices. Why is this app controversial? 1. Installed automatically without user permission. The app was secretly installed on many devices running Android 10 and above without any notification or prior consent. Users only discovered its presence by accident while checking their app settings. 2. Access to encryption keys. The app stores encryption keys for private conversations, which are a critical component of user security and privacy. If there are security vulnerabilities, hackers could potentially access these keys and decrypt encrypted conversations. 3. Lack of transparency about its full functionality. Google has not fully disclosed all the details regarding this app, raising concerns about its actual purpose and the data it can access. 4. Could Google be spying on us? Officially, the app is meant to enhance security and prevent fraud. However, in theory, any app with access to encryption keys could potentially be exploited in one way or another. Google's lack of transparency regarding the app's installation process makes people suspicious that something unusual is happening. How to check if the app is on your phone. If you want to see whether this app is installed on your device, open your phone's settings. Go to Apps or Applications. Search for Android System Key Verifier. If you find it, that means Google has installed it on your phone automatically. Can it be removed? Yes, you can remove it by following these steps. Select Uninstall. However, on some devices, the app may not be removable unless advanced methods like ADB, Android Debug Bridge, are used. The Android System Key Verifier app might have security benefits, but the way it was installed lacks transparency and raises concerns about user privacy. If you're uncomfortable with its presence, it's best to either remove it or disable it through your phone's settings. Do you think Google is overstepping its boundaries in controlling users' devices? Share your opinion.